Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can send stickers and emojis to your friends on Kik Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Kik Messenger app on your phone. The next thing you want to do is go to a chat with your favorite person or any friend. So if you want to send some sticker or emoji, you can see the sticker option. You can see there are a lot of stickers over here. You can select some stickers and you can send these stickers over here. If you want other stickers, you can see the plus icon. Go ahead and tap on plus. You will be headed to the sticker shop. You can go ahead and send any sticker which you want. So you can go ahead and select the sticker of your choice, tap on it, and you can send it. So go ahead and select the sticker and click on send. Now if you want to send any emoji, you can see the emoji icon. Go ahead and tap on it and you can see that you can tap on hold to theme your emoji as well. So go ahead and tap on it and you can see there are various options of the theme. So you can select it and click send. This way you can easily send stickers and emojis to your friends on Kik Messenger. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well.